Hello everyone. Thank you so very much for the lovely comments I've seen on the YouTube channel. Keep inspiring me. Because as I told earlier that I have worked on the things where as a student I found it difficult to learn. It was always confused. I couldn't deliver a video yesterday, but after having read the comments on YouTube, I made it my mind to be back again. So, as I told earlier, today I will be talking about migration. And I had said no, I am not an IELTS expert. I have got nothing to do with PTE. But still, I will be talking migration. Migration, not in that sense, like with the Punjabis and Haryanvis, we are into going off to Canada, America, the UK. Nothing like that. Here, migration means moving off to some other place. But before starting with the reasons behind migration, let me tell you one thing. Migration basically is of two types: immigration and emigration. And there starts confusion among the kids, because it is only the letter I am in the front and EM in the front. Only, rather I should say, it is only the E and I alphabet, letter of alphabet. So beta, always remember immigration, in, IN, it starts with I. So keep that in mind. There's no logic, it is just my reason is to make it understood to you. So immigration is coming in, the inflow of the animals, the human beings. We will be discussing the reasons later on. First, let us understand what is immigration, what is emigration. All of us like watching movies, going to the restaurants, and there we see exit. EXIT, exit is written. When you are moving out of the cinema hall, you don't move out. Usually you don't move out from the same gate, from the same entrance from where you had entered. Hello Garima, how are you beta? You move out where it is written EXIT. So remember, exit. So emigration, E, it also starts with E. Recall that. Exit also starts with E and emigration also starts with E. So the outgoing of the animals or the people. I don't think now there is any reason why we should be confused. We get confused only when we are doing that ratification. Please don't go in for that. Learn it. I always tell my children, there isn't any law or logic. It is just my way to make the things easier for my kids. That's all. That is my logic. So in से याद रखो immigration, exit से याद रखो, E से याद रखो emigration, exit, emigration, in, immigration. Now let's talk about why. Because every action, though it has an equal and opposite reaction, but every reaction has a cause. Very simple. Your mama, she does not scold you without any reason. कुछ तो गड़बड़ कर रही तभी मम्मा ने डांटा। टीचर ने आपको कुछ बोला, ऑलवेज देयर इज अ रीजन, वेदर शी हैज अप्रिशिएटेड यू or scolded you or made you stand at the back of the class. And teachers, I have a humble request. With folded hands, I request all of you, please don't make the students stand outside the class. Don't make them put their hands up. The hands really pain. Please don't. Thank you, Punya sir. How are you? So please don't throw the children out of the class. And mind you, respect is commanded, not demanded. Your dresses, your face, your lipsticks, your perfume, your hairstyle, they can impress a person once or twice. Not every day. It is only the way how you are teaching them, and for that you have to go to the level of the student. Don't throw the students out of the class. If you want to punish them, yes, I am not saying don't punish them. Make them stand inside your class, और वो भी wall से 1 फुट आगे खड़ा कीजिए, because when you are making them stand with the wall, एक पैर पीछे वॉल पे लगाते हैं, they get the rest, and your purpose is not solved. When you throw them out of the class, what happens? उसे पहले कुछ नहीं आता, आपने इसलिए बाहर उसे फेंका. When you have thrown them out, you have the girl out, what happens? Again, पहले कुछ नहीं आ रहा, जो लेक्चर आपने डिलीवर किया वो भी मिस हो गया, तो उसका बल्क में जो टॉपिक्स हैं वो unexplained, and then the child starts losing interest in your subject. Please talk to them, ask them. And you can ask only when you're yourself prepared. Don't tell the children, बेटा मुझे नहीं आता, कल बताऊंगा. Because then the children, they laugh at you. Love you, Sahil beta. God bless you. Even I love you and I miss you too. Take good care of yourself. So, now let us talk about the reasons behind migration. See, when you are writing the points which you are writing to between emigration or immigration, या कोई भी any topic you are differentiating, let it be animal cell and plant cell, make sure children. Sahil, I really miss you beta. Please make sure that you divide it. फर्स्ट पॉइंट के सामने फर्स्ट पॉइंट आना चाहिए. सेकंड के लिए ए चाहे बीच में एक लाइन छोड़ दीजिए, सेकंड के सामने सेकंड आना चाहिए. एंड गिव मैक्सिमम एग्जाम्पल्स. Wherever you feel like or you can, draw a picture. I am very bad at drawing. I am really very poor at drawing. But I don't miss any chance drawing diagrams and well labeled. Immigration में आप नहीं करोगे. But when it is a plant cell and animal cell, सिर्फ draw करके छोड़ दिया, it won't solve the purpose. You have to label it. Don't use pen to draw a diagram. Teachers, even the mathematics teachers, I have seen teachers let the children draw with a pen. Why? Provide him. If he's not having, let the child share the pencil with somebody else. So shall we come back to the topic? Migration and immigration. Obviously, greener pasture. And always underline your answers, the main point in your answer, so that the teacher knows what you are going to explain. And yes, grammar matters. It's not that grammar does not matter. Because only a single letter अपनी जगह पे से उस आप मिसप्लेस कर देते हो, it loses its meaning. The meaning changes entirely. Take example of quiet and quiet. I told you in my previous video, QUIET. There T के पीछे कुछ नहीं है, it means it's quiet. T के पीछे कुछ नहीं है, it means शांति है, that is quiet. QUITE, T के पीछे E, that quiet means when you're shaking hands, you ask, how are you? And the other person says, I'm quite fine, thank you, or you respond. So, yes, even in social and science, the spellings, the grammar matters. Because at times, एक कॉमा भी मतलब बदल देता है. We will be talking about it later. बहुत फनी इंसिडेंट्स देखे हैं मैंने जहाँ पे एक कॉमा ने पूरी की पूरी मेरे एक टीचर की एप्लीकेशन का सेंस चेंज कर दिया था. So my dear friends, let's come back to the points of differentiation. Immigration. Why are we Indians, especially the North Indians here? When I'm saying North Indian, I'm talking about I'm talking about the Punjabis and the Haryanvis. Why are we flying off? Why do we want to migrate? This migration is emigration, exit to America or Canada or Australia or the UK because of the greener pastures, more jobs. First I will discuss the reasons, the human reasons. Same is the case with emigration. And same is the case with immigration. What is emigration for India is immigration for Canada or America or any other European country, wherever we are shifting. Human beings, because we are basically we people do are we are greedy, very selfish. भगवान ने सबसे ज़्यादा दिमाग हमें दे दिया. We are very proud कि man has developed himself, but more we have developed our greed, selfishness. We are never satisfied. इधर कमा रहे हैं, उधर और ज़्यादा मिलेगा, इसलिए we are shifting. Next comes the infrastructure. Infrastructure is another basic reason why we people migrate. The better the infrastructure, the more chances, the more comfortable we are. If the roads are good, we have beautiful. Here, when I say beautiful, it is not about the building, which is beautiful with all that mirrors and all that work. Nowadays, if you look at the schools, even the private schools, I'm talking about the private schools here, they don't look any less than the latest buildings I'm talking about. They don't look any less than some hotel. All that glass work. Here, when I'm saying infrastructure, it means the hospitals, the building, but not only building. Medical facilities have to be there. I can't name any one party, but I'll give you hints and you'll understand. You may be supporter of any party, but what are the basic needs of a human being to become a human resource? आप और मैं रिसोर्स कब बनेंगे? When we have education, with training and health. And who is providing this? Obviously वहाँ पे लोग migrate करना पसंद करेंगे where they are getting these things. Security. These are all the reasons I am giving for immigration and emigration. Because I reiterate, what is immigration for Canada is emigration for India. Why are we shifting there? Because what facilities they are providing, they are absent here. Or as I said, the very first reason is our selfishness also. So, health, infrastructure, security. If I know I can move out of my house even at 11 at night and I will be safe, why will I even think of moving out? If at my one call the police is there to help me, why will I think of migrating? Not at all. Now one more thing, that whatever reasons I will be giving for the migration amongst the animals will be the same for human beings also. Let me discuss some of the reasons for the migration among the animals. Why do the animals migrate? Climate, extreme, the animals which are which live in very cold areas, they can't live in hot areas. So when the temperature changes in the Himalayas, what happens in the Himachal Pradesh? The shepherds, they move up during the summers and move down. When the snow starts falling, they move down because of the climatic conditions. As I said, greener pasture. Here, the greener pasture means where we are earning money. Basically, we use for that. But it is equally right for the animals also. If they get the animals proper food are better, if some animals are getting, could you please stop it? If the animals are getting better fodder, better grass, they move. So climatic conditions, even they need security. Even the animals need security. Take example of this pandemic. Every other day we are sharing videos of animals moving into the cities. They don't know about this COVID-19. The animals don't know about corona. But they know that nowadays the humans are not moving on the roads. So it is safer for them. So they are moving. Because even they can sense the security. So temperature and climate, security, greener pasture, these are the reasons common with the human beings, be it you or me. or the animals. For all is the same. So, I believe the only point which differentiates is the infrastructure, which animals don't need infrastructures. They don't need your houses, they don't need your big buildings, they don't need your for these roads. They need forests, they need plants, they need their own ecosystem. If we talk about the ecosystem, what is that? I always give example, and I always say, please give example to the children from their environment. The best example we can give nowadays is, suppose some child has left his tiffin. He forgot to bring back. He forgot his tiffin at his school. And later on he went, after 10 days he went to collect. And by chance he had skipped his lunch also. So once he opens the tiffin, आपके घर में भी होता है कोई डिब्बा आपके साइड में गलती से, especially these काम वालीज. Sorry, I shouldn't be rude, but it happens, no? A tiffin with some snacks or something eatable is left, be it a chapati or rice or some cooked vegetable is left unattended for 4-5 days. And when you open it, what happens? It gives out such a stinking smell. Subhashi, it's good afternoon here. Well, very good afternoon to you. It gives out a stinking smell, especially during the summers. And you find those worms in the tiffin. Where have they come? Did anybody go and put it there? No. Because of the right temperature, the right atmosphere, those worms, they appeared from nowhere, no? In my previous video, I had told about flora and fauna, that all life can be divided into two parts. Basically, flora, I repeat, always remember flora comes from flower. So only the plants bear flowers. So remember, all the plants come in this category. Fauna, the baby deer is a fawn. Spelling same नहीं है. FAWN, fawn is a baby deer. FAUNA, fauna. I always say, I give examples so that they stay here. Fawn से fauna याद रखिए. Fauna. Now when we are talking about these animals, reptiles, creepers, they don't need to move out till and until we don't disturb their ecosystem. Nowadays, what is happening? We are not disturbing the ecosystem, so they are coming out. They are enjoying. They are not coming out of. They are not suffering any panic. They don't want to migrate. They are moving out. They are roaming around, and then they go back to their own place. They are not migrating. Who's migrating? The people? Those Indians who had emigrated to Canada, America, Italy, Spain, France, they want to come back now. They emigrated. Now they want to come back. That is migration. They did not go just ऐसे ही. They went for the greener pasture. So I hope you get my point. And as I said, yes, the spellings matter. The spellings really matter. When we are talking about homophones, in my video on YouTube I told about the homophones. There's so many words. I gave you example. Quiet and stationary, red and red. So please make sure. Yeah, in my previous video also I had asked you people some questions. Now my very simple question is, the tiffin which was left by the student in the class unattended, from where did the bombs came into it? Nobody had opened it. It was lying where the child had left. Still, the bombs were there. Please answer the question. I'm going to post this video on my YouTube channel also. Kindly like and subscribe it. And thank you for the most beautiful comments I could see there on my different videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.